This Michelle Einstein song, Birdsong. Boundless. Edwin. Liz. Bound to be a Bonobo monkey. Edwin Lee, Birdsong. Former General Robert E. Lee, Bach, Mr. Spock, and Mark Chagall, the painter. The bonobo monkeys are said to be mellow. They are called the hippie monkeys of the forest, but they have been found recently to eat other monkeys. And their faces are black, and their hair is black. And he is bound to be a monkey because he died January a couple of years ago. Edwin Lee Birdsong did. And he is going to be, or is already, a bonobo monkey because he of the way he lived. And his son, his legal son, sing Birdsong. Unless he breaks his attachment to him, he's going to be reborn a bonobo monkey also. Unless he attaches himself to his mother, a satsangi, who is attached to God, he will be a bonobo monkey. And the same is true for his sister, Robin Birdsong. So this is a warning to them. Thank you for listening.